A car goes from 0 to 100 in seconds. But how do we measure how quickly speed changes? That's acceleration. Acceleration equals change in velocity divided by time. Units are meters per second squared. A motorbike goes from rest to 20 meters per second in 5 seconds. 20 minus 0 divided by 5 gives 4 meters per second squared. Negative acceleration means slowing down, called deceleration. Gravity accelerates all falling objects at about 10 meters per second squared. Remember, A equals delta V over T. Positive means speeding up, negative means slowing down. Units always meters per second squared. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.